cryptocurrency expert, Brian Kelly said that he thinks that a big transaction with a Japanese company could be huge for Bitcoin price. Mr. Kelly told CNBC, "You have a big transaction with a Japanese company that actually owns TradeStation. They are potentially buying in an exchange in Japan, which is huge because that is a public company with a brokerage firm regulated by the Japanese Financial Authority buying into an exchange. That's a massive sentiment shift." CNBC Getty Bitcoin price. Cryptocurrency expert claims that Bitcoin is set to rebound in the second quarter. They are potentially buying in an exchange in Japan, which is huge because that is a public company with a brokerage firm regulated by the Japanese Financial Authority buying into an exchange. Brian Kelly. During the first 3 months of 2018, more than $119.9 billion was shed from the value of Bitcoin. According to CNBC, Bitcoin dropped by 50% in those first 3 months. This follows after the digital currency saw a record high of nearly £14,220 in late 2017. Mr. Kelly added, "We are coming to the end of the tax selling season, so we have probably got another week and a half of tax selling, but I think a good portion of that has been happening over the last month or so." Cryptocurrencies have faced criticism by banks and finance experts, with banking giant Morgan Stanley likening the current market climate of Bitcoin to the dot-com bubble that, during its most exuberant period, rose by 250 to 280%. Morgan Stanley strategist Sheena Shah stated that the similar behavior between dot-com and Bitcoin could mean history is repeating itself and the cryptocurrency could soon crash. Over the last 10 weeks, the correlation between stock markets and Bitcoin has indicated the cryptocurrency is still being perceived as a risk asset as opposed to a safe haven asset like gold. This is due to the volatile nature of the market and because it is still largely unregulated.